Welcome to TAPOSHI education tutorial. In this chapter, chemical reaction and equation, we already comes in the last portion of this chapter. We discussed about the combination reaction. Now we discuss about the displacement reaction. I hope student, for your better understanding, you watch the previous part for your better understanding. Now the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction are generally given by the ionic compound in aqueous solution. If I define the displacement reaction, then the definition will be those chemical reaction in which the more reactive metals or non-metal displace a less reactive or non-metal from its aqueous solution. Here I given some example like AB is a compound and AC is the element. It is displaced by the C and it became A is the separated from the AB compound and they combine from the BC. That means the one compound breaks apart and one place of it transferred to the another reactant and bonds are both broken and formed in this type of the reaction. Example in here, the magnesium metals, the silvery white when placed in copper sulfate solution, blue colored. It displays from copper sulfate and from the magnesium sulfate. Okay, that means the colorless, and copper it's became color brown. Okay. Now displacement reaction may have the following features. Number one, we can say that in this reaction the color change may take place. Yes, this can shown by the ionic compound. This type of the reaction may formation the precipitation and these are shown the redox reaction. Okay student, now it also called the single displacement reaction. Why we should study the displacement reaction? Because a displacement reaction help us to distinguish between more reactive or less reactive elements. This help us to predict the reactivity of the elements. Right student? Now the example are there like a iron react with copper sulfate and from the ferrous sulfate and copper. Okay, that means iron is more reactive than copper and is displaced the copper and it from the ferrous sulfate a compound. Okay, here in this picture you can easily understand what I mean over here. And another single displacement or the displacement reaction are zinc react with the copper nitrate and it from the copper and zinc nitrate, and copper react with the silver nitrate and it from the silver and copper nitrate, and also the magnesium and hydrochloric react each other and displacement reaction occurs and from the hydrogen gas and magnesium chloride. I hope student in this part you easily understand what I mean and what I discuss over here. Hope you enjoyed this part. I will come next the double displacement reaction. Thank you for watching. See you next time.